in southern Italy, and today I'm going to give you a tour of an Italian tiny home. It's known as the Trullo. It's in the Puglia region, also known as Apulia. So let's go check it out. Jacuzzi is a nice feature, and it's really nice at night as well. For those interested in suntanning or just relaxing, there are a couple lounges outside for your use. Have some really narrow stairs that lead up to the top on the roof. Dry stone conical roof at the Trullo is actually made of without any cement as well. So the conical shape, iconic, and all these stones are really chiseled in place. So if you look carefully, you could see some areas where they actually have some small pieces that helps to keep it in place as well. There's an outdoor kitchen with a wood cooking area as well for your use while here. You can see the arch entering the Trullo. A lot of space coming in. Then you get to a dome area. Check out the beams, guys. Really love the beams in this area. First get in, you get into a seated area with a small table. Then if you check out the dome, there is a domed roof. We're gonna come back to the second sleeping area on the left, but just take a look around the kitchen. Very small spaces. You can actually hear an echo, but it has all the comforts you need for a short stay. A sink or a small refrigerator and a cooking area. But if you were to go to your left first, you'll see the bathroom. So really modern bathroom, and with a rainfall shower. Wall goes up maybe to about 5 feet, and then it goes up into the conical shape. Same theme with a domed roof. Then you come through a really narrow passageway, small closet area that I have my carry-on suitcase in, and then you get to the main bedroom. So let's check out the main bedroom. The Trullo has storage spaces everywhere. So one of the great features is this unit. The Trullo has a couple of these units that provide both heat and also air. Now you really have some narrow areas in this Trullo. So there are some areas with the dome, and then others you gotta bend under to go. Guys, I found out from the owners that this Trullo dates back to the 15th century. Obviously it was renewed, so I'm going to show you what they look like, one that's not renewed. So this Trullo is actually in the countryside. It's very serene, very quiet. So for those who like peace and nature, this is for you. If you're like me that really like it, really high activity area, this Trullo is not located in that area. It's in the countryside. So if you're interested in learning more about Alberobello, the World Heritage Site, check out my vlog with the tour with Floriana as I explore this area.
Thank you so much, Mari, to stay with me. I hope you appreciate our tour in Alberobello.
Okay,
if you
thank you.
Make a tour with me, you can find me in Airbnb. I'm Floriana.
All right, thank you, Floriana. And also, follow the vlog as I explore these beautiful, quaint towns in southern Italy. I was pleasantly surprised of their beauty. Really enjoyed them. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tour of this Trullo. And don't forget to love yourself, love others, and gratitude for everything under the sun. That's Hans' part. One love.
And remember to love yourself, love others, and gratitude for everything under the sun.
One love.